Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Today we are going to talk about fractions. Alright, what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. So this whole, let's say you have a figure and this is called a whole figure, and if you divide this into four parts, right? And if you want to know what is this part with respect to this complete figure, right? So if you consider this as a whole means 1, and then if you want to know this portion, so this is fourth, so you denote it by 1 fourth, meaning this is the fourth part, 1 by fourth of this whole figure. So how do you denote this? To denote this particular portion, you need to write it in a way that, okay, you have divided this figure into 4 parts and this is one of it. So this is how you denote this portion of a whole figure. Now this is called a fraction. And in this fraction, the number, this one is an integer, this is another integer. So two integer forms a fraction. Now, what do you call these integers? So the one at the above the line is called numerator, and the one below the line, this division line, is called the denominator. All right, let's take another example. Now you have this portion and this one more portion. Now you want to find out what is these two parts with respect to the whole 4 parts. So you denote this as 2 divided by 4. So this is, it is also written as 2 fourth, meaning you have divided this figure into 4 parts and you are talking about 2 parts of the whole. So this is what the fraction is: a numerator, a denominator, and how do you say those in words: 1/4, 2/4. Thank you.